Welcome to my channel Global Car. Your daily dose of the world's most exciting cars and future rides. If you love speed, style, and innovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our car enthusiast family. Today, let's talk about a 2025 Zephyr, a name that's redefining what luxury performance really means. The Zephyr 2025 blends futuristic design with smart engineering to create a car that feels ahead of its time. Its sleek aerodynamic body features flowing lines, a sculpted front grille, and signature LED lighting that gives it a distinctive and powerful presence on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Zephyr is rumored to feature a powerful hybrid powertrain that delivers an impressive balance between speed and efficiency. With around 400 horsepower, instant torque, and smooth acceleration, it offers the perfect blend of power and elegance. The ride quality is refined with adaptive suspension, ensuring a quiet and comfortable drive, even at high speeds. Inside, the Zephyr welcomes you with a luxurious and tech-forward cabin. Expect high-quality materials, ambient lighting, and a massive panoramic display that stretches across the dashboard. The infotainment system integrates AI-based controls, voice recognition, and seamless smartphone connectivity. Safety is also top-tier, featuring advanced driver assistance systems like lane centering, autopilot mode, and 360-degree vision. The 2025 Zephyr isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's designed for those who demand sophistication without sacrificing performance. Whether you're cruising the city or hitting the highway, this car makes every drive feel extraordinary. That's all for today's review of the stunning 2025 Zephyr. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest car updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.